I made a card today that I have been wanting to make for a while, and so today was the day. I used some of our really cool watercolor paper, and I used our spritzer and spritzed water all over the paper. Next, I'm taking the Watercolor World stamp here. It's a really gigantic stamp, so I like to lay it down on its back like that and then bring the stamp pad onto the stamp like that. And now I'm just adding a darker color of navy with my sponge dauber. And finally, I am stamping it onto the wet paper. Now, obviously, you don't have to do it this way. I just think it's a neat technique, and I love how the world, the map there, looks all blotchy and impressionistic, and that's just the look that I was looking for and that I wanted. And then just to speed up the drying process there, I dried it on both sides, and I did turn it over and dry on the back side too, because it kind of helps to lay the paper back down so it's not so buckled after being wet. Now I'm just going to layer it up here, and look at these foam adhesive sheets. What you do is you put those on the back of your cardstock, and it's basically just like using your Stampin' Dimensionals. They just make the items that you cut out just puffy, so you don't have to trim down your dimensionals really tiny. And then I used our alphabet dies and just die cut out the word that I wanted there, and I'm layering it on. What do you think? I really love the way this turned out. I love the monochromatic look of the different colors of blue, and I love the simplistic look of it. So I'm going to have all the details and the products I use listed on my website. You can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com, and I'll have all of it on there for you. Thanks so much for following along today. I really appreciate you, and I hope that you enjoyed this card as well as this technique. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you again soon.